It's a 71 Chevy C10. My dad bought it brand new. I got it in about 83. Me and my dad, in high school, I built a grandfather clock, and I traded in that grandfather clock for the truck, and I fixed it up once in the 80s. And sat for probably 15 years, kids, and just in about 6 years ago, I really started into it and tore it down, clear down the frame, and started building it back up. A lot of new parts on it. Have bought a lot of parts from classic parts of America, but it's been a lot of fun. My son's helped me a lot, and it's about 2.5 years being done. So me and my wife travel around and go to shows. Used to have a topper on it. This used to be our family vehicle. Me and my brothers would ride in the back going to grandma. So yeah, I drove it to high school. Me and my wife dated in it. So it's got a lot of memories for us, for the whole family. So my son knows he's gonna get it once I'm done with it. So